Hi, this is Jessica. In this video, I would like to show you daily activities and activities that a woman, she, or a man, he, can do every day. So in this video, you will see activities that a woman and a man can do and adverbs of frequency. So let me show you what it is. We use adverb of frequency to show how often we do something. For example, I always check my phone. I usually wash the dishes. I sometimes go for a walk. I never drink alcohol. So when we use adverb of frequency, we always are answering one question: how often? So how often do you walk? So it says always. How often do you walk? Again, I usually walk. Okay? Or again, how often do you watch TV? So I often watch TV. Or how often do you watch TV? I sometimes watch TV. Again, how often do you watch movies? I seldom watch movies. How often do you go to the gym? I rarely go to the gym. How often do you smoke? I never smoke. So, do you see? Always, usually, often, sometimes, seldom, rarely, and never. So, also make sure that knows that the main verb change when the subject is she, he, or it. For example, she always checks her phone. He usually washes the dishes. She sometimes goes for a walk. He never drinks alcohol. So as you can see, is a little bit difference here when you see the verb written like this, checks with a little s, and in the pronunciation, checks, washes. Okay, so subscribe if you like this video and pay attention, okay, to the next part, that is listen. Remember, look at the picture and repeat. Okay, I hope you enjoy it.
Every day she wakes up. Every day she wakes up. She stretches. She stretches. She gets up. She gets up. She turns off the alarm. She turns off the alarm. She looks at the phone. She looks at the phone. She reviews messages. She reviews messages. She always checks her email. She always checks her email. She sometimes makes her bed. She sometimes makes her bed. She always goes for a walk. She always goes for a walk. She always walks. She always walks. She sometimes runs. She sometimes runs. She rarely rides a horse. She rarely rides a horse. She opens the door. She opens the door. She goes to the bathroom. She goes to the bathroom. She flushes the toilet. She flushes the toilet. She looks at herself in the mirror. She looks at herself in the mirror. She always smiles. She always smiles. She washes her face. She washes her face. She always brushes her teeth. She always brushes her teeth. Usually, she flosses her teeth. Usually, she flosses her teeth. Every day, she takes a shower. Every day, she takes a shower. He sings. He sings. She puts the towel on. She puts the towel on. She hangs it up on a towel rack. She hangs it up on a towel rack. She brushes her hair. She brushes her hair. She blows out her hair. She blows out her hair. She puts her clothes on. She puts her clothes on. She goes to the kitchen. She goes to the kitchen. She opens the door. She opens the door. He always makes breakfast. He always makes breakfast. She prepares breakfast. She prepares breakfast. She eats breakfast. She eats breakfast. She sometimes plays the piano. She sometimes plays the piano. She always listens to music. She always listens to music. She usually reads a book. She usually reads a book. She rarely cries. She rarely cries. He always prays. He always prays. She always reads reflections. She always reads reflections. She always meditates. She always meditates. She usually sings. She usually sings. He always sings and plays the guitar. He always sings and plays the guitar. She dances. She dances.
Do you like this video? If you like to, please hit the like button and please remember to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments, what else does she do in the morning? What else does he do in the morning? So let me know, what do you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.